Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the future of technology. But what exactly is it, and how does it work? In this video, we're going to take you on a journey through the basics of AI and explain why it's so important for our world today. Hi, I'm Jessica, and welcome to AI 101. Let's start by answering the question on everyone's mind: what is AI? Simply put, AI is a system that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. It uses algorithms and data to analyze, interpret, and learn from patterns and make predictions or decisions. But why is AI so important? Well, for one thing, it has the potential to revolutionize many industries, from healthcare to finance. AI can help us make better decisions, automate repetitive tasks, and even create new products and services. But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more advanced, we need to ensure that it is used ethically and for the benefit of society as a whole. This means addressing issues like bias, privacy, and job displacement. So there you have it, a brief introduction to AI and why it's such an exciting and important field. If you want to learn more, be sure to subscribe to our channel for future AI content. Thanks for watching.